Sugar is often seen as a health villain, blamed for everything from weight gain to diabetes. We're constantly warned to cut back on sweets, and for good reason. Too much sugar can harm our bodies in many ways. But what if, hidden inside our brain cells, there's a special kind of sugar that's not only harmless but actually vital for our memory and thinking? Imagine a sugar that doesn't come from our diet, but is created by our own bodies, working behind the scenes to keep our minds sharp. This isn't about the sugar you stir into your coffee or sprinkle on your cereal. Instead, it's about a microscopic process deep within our neurons, where a unique sugar molecule plays a crucial role in brain function. Scientists are now delving into how this tiny sugar molecule, called O-GLCNAC, could act as a guardian for our brain cells, protecting them from damage and helping them communicate. For decades, Alzheimer's research has focused on sticky protein clumps known as amyloid plaques, believed to disrupt brain function. But this new discovery is shifting the spotlight to the role of sugars in brain health, opening up a whole new field of study. Picture the brain as a bustling city, with billions of messages zipping along neural highways. This sugar acts like an all-access pass, ensuring that signals travel smoothly and efficiently, keeping the city running at its best. In people with Alzheimer's, scientists have found that this sugar is often missing or reduced. Its absence could be a monumental clue, helping us understand why memory and thinking break down in the disease. This research challenges our old ideas about what causes Alzheimer's and opens a new chapter in the quest to protect our brains. It suggests that supporting these natural sugar processes could be just as important as targeting proteins. Could this simple natural sugar be the key to a revolution in how we fight Alzheimer's? As scientists continue to explore, hope is growing that a sweet surprise may be waiting for us in the battle against this devastating disease. In a remarkable leap forward, scientists have zeroed in on a process called O-glycogenation, a unique sugar tag that acts almost like a molecular switch for proteins inside our brain cells. This tiny modification, though invisible to the naked eye, plays a surprisingly powerful role in how our brains function. O-glycogenation helps regulate thousands of proteins, including those that are absolutely vital for memory, learning, and healthy brain activity. By attaching or removing this sugar tag, the brain can fine-tune the behavior of its proteins, ensuring everything runs smoothly. But in the brains of people with Alzheimer's disease, researchers have discovered that this sugar tag is dramatically reduced, especially in the regions responsible for memory and cognition. This loss is not just a minor detail, it's a striking difference that could help explain why memory fails in Alzheimer's. Imagine a factory where quality control stickers are missing from the products. Without these crucial tags, defective items slip through, causing the whole system to break down. In the brain, missing sugar tags mean proteins can malfunction, leading to chaos at the cellular level. The loss of these sugar tags is especially critical on tau proteins, already infamous for their role in Alzheimer's. When tau proteins lose their sugar tag, they become even more likely to misbehave. Without this protective modification, tau proteins are far more likely to clump together, forming toxic tangles that choke brain cells and disrupt communication. This discovery opens up a promising new target for intervention, one that could be addressed much earlier in the disease process before irreversible damage takes hold. By restoring or protecting these sugar tags, scientists hope to halt the disease before it spirals out of control. It's a breakthrough that could fundamentally change the direction of Alzheimer's research, offering hope for new treatments and prevention strategies. The missing sugar tag may be the very first domino to fall in the complex chain reaction that leads to Alzheimer's, making it a crucial piece of the puzzle scientists have been searching for. The O-GLCNAC sugar tag is a master regulator, quietly working behind the scenes in our brains. Though it's just a simple sugar, its impact is profound, orchestrating a delicate balance that keeps our minds sharp and memories intact. It ensures that our neurons' complex machinery runs smoothly, like oil in a well-tuned engine, allowing brain cells to communicate efficiently and respond to new information. By strengthening the connections between neurons, O-GLCNAC lays the foundation for learning and memory. These connections, called synapses, are where our thoughts, experiences, and knowledge are stored and retrieved. When neurons face stress, whether from aging, toxins, or disease, this sugar tag acts as a shield, helping them survive and adapt. It's like a guardian, stepping in when our brain cells are most vulnerable. Perhaps its most crucial job is protecting tau proteins from turning toxic. Tau is essential for neuron structure, but when it goes awry, it can wreak havoc. The O-GLCNAC sugar tag attaches to tau, blocking harmful changes and preventing the formation of deadly tangles that choke neurons and disrupt brain function. Without this protective sugar, neurons lose their defenses, connections weaken, and tau runs wild. These are the hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease, where memory and identity slip away. The absence of O-GLCNAC isn't just a symptom, It's a direct cause of the chaos and destruction seen in the Alzheimer's brain, leading to devastating consequences for patients and families. This tiny sugar modification is absolutely vital for maintaining a sharp, healthy mind throughout life. It's a silent protector, preserving our ability to remember, think, and connect with loved ones. When OGL snack is lost, it triggers a triple threat. Memories fade, brain cells become vulnerable, and toxic tangles take over, accelerating cognitive decline. That's why restoring this sugar tag isn't just promising, it could be a true game changer in the fight against Alzheimer's, offering hope for healthier brains and brighter futures. For decades, Alzheimer's research focused on amyloid plaques as the main culprit. Drugs aimed at clearing these plaques have mostly failed to stop memory loss. Now scientists wonder if plaques are just markers of damage, not the root cause. The missing sugar tag offers a new explanation. The real problem may start inside the cell with broken protein regulation. Loss of OGLCNAC could make neurons vulnerable, leading to plaques and tangles as downstream effects. This shift is like finding the fire source instead of just fighting the smoke. By targeting the sugar tag, we might intervene before irreversible damage occurs. It's a hopeful new direction for Alzheimer's treatment. If the missing sugar tag is the problem, can we restore it? Scientists are developing drugs that target the enzymes controlling OGLCNAC, either adding more tags or preventing their removal. One promising approach is blocking the OGA enzyme, which removes the sugar tag. Early studies show that OGA inhibitors can improve memory and reduce tau problems in animals. But simply eating more sugar isn't the answer. The issue is how the brain uses sugar, not how much we eat. Lifestyle factors like exercise and a healthy diet may help support brain metabolism and resilience. While these habits can't directly fix the sugar tagging process, they create a healthier environment for our neurons. Future research will explore if specific nutrients can support this vital pathway. The goal: restore the brain's sugar shield and protect memory. The OGLCNAC discovery could redraw the Alzheimer's treatment map. Instead of focusing only on plaques, we can now target the sugar tagging process, possibly even before symptoms appear. Imagine detecting a sugar tag deficiency early and starting preventative therapy to shield the brain. This could shift Alzheimer's care from treatment to true prevention. Combination therapies may be the future, boosting sugar tags, clearing plaques, and reducing inflammation all at once. This approach mirrors how we tackle other complex diseases. The breakthrough energizes research, raising new questions about what causes the sugar cycle to break down. Is it genetics, environment, or lifestyle? Finding out could reveal even more ways to intervene. This is a leap forward, bringing new hope to families and researchers alike. This discovery is a powerful message of hope in the fight against Alzheimer's. It shows that brain health isn't just about aging, it's something we can protect. While we wait for new treatments, living a brain-healthy lifestyle remains crucial. Choices like eating well, staying active, and staying connected help keep our neurons resilient. The idea that we might restore a fundamental brain defense is inspiring. Alzheimer's could become a manageable, even preventable, condition. The solution may be found in the beautiful chemistry of our own brains, a true spoonful of hope.